I'm kind of disappointed. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Somita, and I'm super excited to show you all my Nykaa Summer Sale orders that just got delivered. This is an unboxing and a haul video. I have Nykaa as well as Macaron packages with me. Whenever I'm seeing something, there is some flash sales or something, then I'm going and buying it from Nykaa. These are the things that I bought from the ongoing sale, and I will show you one by one what are there in these. Also about this setup. So my baby is sleeping right here and I'm making this video. You know how moms have to work. So please ignore the background, and my baby is sleeping and I'm making this video. I'm not sure if this going to be recorded properly or not, but I wanted to make this video and post it before this Nykaa sale is gone. So let's begin unboxing. So let's open the first one, which I have already opened. That is this macaron. I have bought one, which I thought I'll just unbox with the Nykaa boxes. So this is only one product. This is from Sisua. This is a viral product actually, and I saw a few videos online, and I was so influenced by the videos, and I wanted something which in this summer I just want something to make my face glow because I have dry skin, and that's why I wanted to buy something which gives me a glow. So I bought this one, and I was so excited to open this, so I couldn't wait to shoot it and unbox it in front of the camera. So I just opened it and I actually just swatched it on my face. So this is how the product looks. This is a bluish kind of jelly kind of thing. But when I apply it, this looks balmy and the texture is balmy. I can't see a lot of, glitters or anything here. When I saw some videos online, when they apply it, the face glows and it looks like a glass skin. So I was hoping that this does something like that, but I'm kind of disappointed and I'm not sure still. Like, I don't have a lot of, good things to say about this yet. I think once I start using it, maybe I will be having more good or bad feedback about this product. So it just, gives that, balmy kind of to see this. I think this will work best if you have already, done your makeup and you just want something to make your skin look glowy. I think this will work like that. But if I have to just wear this and go, I think it will look a lot of greasy kind of situation. I'm not sure about it. It will not remove your makeup. This is a good thing about this particular product. It gives a good glow also if you have dry skin. But I don't think it is so long lasting because once you touch it, it is coming out. So I'm not sure. I don't know yet, but I think I will wait for some time. I will use it and then I can give you an honest review about this product. Till now, that was my experience about this. So moving on to my Nykaa haul now. So let's open one by one. So you will find most of the products from Elf because there was good offers on Elf. There was a buy one get one, and I only bought products which I need right now. Wanted to try them because they are most talked about products. And as a, since I make content about beauty products, so I wanted to try them. That's why I bought it. So first one, these. So this is a blush from Elf Cosmetics. This is a lash extender mascara. So this is also a very hyped product. I have heard that this is a very good one, and it is, I think, a tubing mascara. So I wanted to try this mascara. I will be doing another I think reel to see how this works. I'm not opening it right now. Let's see this. So this is a different type of color, different type of shade. This is very light lavender color. The shade name is Bold Face Lilac. This is a very lavender mauvey lilac color. I don't know how this will look on my cheeks. Let's try it. I don't have a shade like this in my collection. I don't know if in my skin tone this will look good. This is a very pigmented blush. I think this is looking good, right? ग्लो तो दिख रहा है मुझे और ये शेड भी काफी अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे स्किन टोन पे. Moving on to the next box. So let's open this one. So this is the Elf Camo Color Corrector. I wanted to try this one. This is a blue color corrector. I somehow feel that I have a olive undertone. So whenever I am using any foundation, it looks very yellow on my skin. So I wanted to try this one. And this, what it does is it makes your foundation look less yellow. So I'm going to try this and see how this works. Stay tuned. I will make another video with using a foundation and using this one and applying it and seeing whether this will work on my skin tone or not. So just opening it to show you the texture of the corrector. Very thin texture. It has a blue stain if you see. So I have not used it, like I have never used any blue color corrector. So this will be my first time using this. So I will let you know how it works for me. Let's open another package now. So I'm already tired opening all these packages and I have few more to go. And what happened is they have sent one product in each box. Yeah. So this is along with this one. So this is a elf camo color corrector. So I think most of the products here you will see all elf. So because there was a B1 G1 buy one get one. I really wanted to try these products from elf, and these are also very talked about viral products, so I wanted to try them. This is a orange color corrector. I have a color corrector from Inside Cosmetics. So I have been using the Inside Cosmetics from very long time, and I wanted to try another color corrector and see how this performs. Very smooth. It actually blends better than the Inside Cosmetics. Next up is this one, this box, this big box. I forgot what I ordered. So let's see what it is. Sorry for the background noise. This is from my 1-year-old son. Since I'm making this video, he wants to be heard, and that's why he's screaming. Okay, so this is another one. So I got to know about it recently, and I heard that this works on hyperpigmentation. As you see that I have a lot of hyperpigmentation going on in my skin right now. I have developed this more after my pregnancy because earlier I didn't have this much uneven skin, but I think after pregnancy I developed these type of pigmentations even on my neck. I see that there are a lot of pigmentation going on. I have this dark circles and under eye there are some pigmentation. So I wanted to try this. It reduces all types of dark spots, first visible results in 2 weeks, and long term even skin. So let me try this and I will tell you how this works on me. So, and this is very expensive actually. This particular cream is 3,780. It should better work on me because I have spent a lot on this one. So this is the bottle and there's a pump in this bottle. And actually this has a patented thiamidol. So this thiamidol is something that they claim which works on pigmentation, hyperpigmentation. And I have seen a lot of video before buying it and I have seen very good results with for people who have used it. So let's see. Let me try this and see if it really works or not. And then I can, after 2 or 3 weeks, I can say that how this performed. So see me right now. This is my skin. I've just used tinted moisturizer. And yeah, so there is a skin tint that I have used. I will post a before and after picture and I will see if this works for me or not. This is one more to go. Oh, I forgot about buying this. This is a very popular and a lot of they people rave about. This is the Elf Glow Reviver Lip Oil. I got in the shade Jam session. I was so excited to try this, and I got it in buy one get one offer. So it was 50% off actually. So it actually is for 1050 rupees, and I got it at 525. This is a lip oil, and see the doe foot applicator. This is a big applicator for a lip oil. Can you see this? Okay. Let me try this. I have put a lipstick already, but let me just try it. This is actually very moisturizing, and this has a minty, not flavor, but it has a fragrance, and this is how it looks. And now I know why people talk about it so much, because this has a different type of formula. This is thick, so thick means it will be very moisturizing for the lips. It has a kind of, very less pigmentation. Let me just remove this and then I can tell you more about it. Okay, so I removed my lipstick and now I'm going to try this. The applicator is not a thin applicator, it's quite big. It is not like the usual lipstick applicator. I have seen such applicator for the first time actually. Okay, so it has mint in it. If you have had Polo earlier, same kind of fragrance it has. The applicator is very different and it is easy to apply with this, not difficult at all. But if you have thinner lips than mine, it may be little difficult. For me, it is not a problem. Take some more. So I have a pigmented lip and I have two-tone lip. It is a very sheer coverage. It is glossy and it has a very minimum amount of tint, which I think for pigmented lips will not work. Like not visible. That tint is not visible if you have a pigmented lip. Overall, it is looking good as a lip oil. And I loved how moisturizing it feels. It is thick and it is going to transfer if you eat a meal or something. It feels good on the lips. This is the shade. But on my lips, there's hardly anything visible. The tint is not visible at all. I wish this shade would be this one on my lips, but it is having a very sheer coverage, and that's why it is not covering my pigmentation. If I have to only wear this and go somewhere, I won't. I will be applying a lipstick or lip liner, and then above it, I will use this because only this will not work for my lips. This just looks like a thick, glossy, thick gloss. That's it. This shade is not working on my pigmented lips. Let's see, let me try for you because for me, usually what happens is sometimes I like a product a lot and later on I don't like it. And sometimes I don't like something and then later on I start liking that. So I will give it some more time and I will see if this works for me or not. That's all. So I am already done with all the unboxing and these are the things that I have in my hand right now. So there are I think 2 or 3 orders that are still coming in and I will be making another haul video for those. So thank you so much for watching and see you on another video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my video and also comment below. If you want me to do any particular video, I will be happy to do that. And if you comment down, I will know that you are watching and you are liking my videos. So do comment and Do like my videos and also subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Bye. See you in my next video.